Hello, so today's toy model is a Takara Tomy ChoroQ number 31, which when I look it up online it tells me it's a Datsun Sunny 1200. So let's take a look here. It says it's from 2004. Not much. Oh, there's a price here, 294 yen, so around $3. So an expensive toy. Although pricier than a Hot Wheels, that's for sure. Definitely pricier than Hot Wheels. It's got a little protective plastic. Alright, so there's the front end. It seems to match pretty well. Obviously the side view is a little bit foreshortened, and also this is a 2-door, not a 4-door. Didn't realize that in the box. This is also a 4-door picture, but the taillights are similar, rectangles. Sunny Coupe, I see. Yeah, I didn't know that even existed, so I'm learning through collecting toys now. Alright, so we have some steel wheels. They're like black. They look alright. Door handle panel lines are pretty tight. We have this blue translucent window here, and then they painted the whole thing. The whole thing is made of this plastic, I think. Little marker indication there. Headlights are just painted silver. I think it would have been nice to just leave the silver off so they would be transparent blue. That's a tough call. Some orange reflectors on the real car, but you know, for a $3 toy, I guess you can't have every paint tab in the world. This is an interesting hood. Alright. And then some vents there. On this side, pretty much the same as the other side. And then we have some red painted tail lights. The bumper is cast in, but it's not painted silver. The front one is, though. Okay. So yeah, it says 2004, well, 04 there. And then we have a nice transparent base, just the same plastic as the top, I guess, but not painted, so you can see, you know, the mechanism moving. Alright, well, we're going to do a wheel swap. I like to do wheel swaps on the castings that I really like, which is almost all of them. Okay, so this thing pops off. Then this little tab is holding the motor down, so I can pull that forward, pop that out. This comes out here. So I'm taking today some Hot Wheels. I forget which car they came off of, but one of those premium Hot Wheels. So they're staggered in their size. And they were the original silvery plastic, but I just sprayed a little gold paint on them. But I do need to have one of my motor pieces here. So this is a 3D printed blank motor shell. And I do that so I don't have to use as much putty to put the wheels on. It gives the putty something hard to press up against. You really don't need to do it, but since I have a 3D printer, I figure why not. I have used blocks of wood in the past as well, which is a cheap fix, cheap way to do it as well. Alright, so yeah, see, so I have that wall there. So I just take this Potafix Pro stuff, just jam it up against that wall, set a little camber. There we go. Pinch the top a little bit so it gets some camber, you know. I'll camber the front wheels as well, so pinch those a little bit. Yeah. Press it down. There we go. Nice and easy. I gotta say, the larger Hot Wheels, though, tires, you know, they're a little small compared to the wheel well, but it's gonna have to do for today. I still think it looks cooler than the stock tires. Okay, let's look at a couple other cars here. So this is by TLV. It doesn't really, it just says it's a Datsun pickup truck. Whether that's a Sunny pickup truck, I don't know. And then this is a Datsun 510 SSS by Konami. Bottom line is, I don't really have a Datsun Sunny car in 164, but I believe maybe the Sunny and the 510 could have been sharing the same platform. I'm not sure. But here's a photo of a coupe, and yeah, I think it's nice to have aftermarket wheels like that photograph has. Alright, so let's put a couple Choro-Qs up here. Get these two out. Here's an Isuzu Bellet. What else do I have that's kind of old? This is a Mitsubishi Lancer 1600 GSR. So I think in the cartoon classic car world, these three cars could have actually been around, you know, driving around at the same time. Oh, wait a sec, I have a Datsun 510 pickup truck as well. Alright, let's take this guy here. Okay, so another cute little Choro-Q to come into the collection, and now that's got modded wheels. I like it a lot more. Alright, well, stick around. I'll continue doing these Choro-Qs. Alright, see ya.